Welcome everybody. We're in Chapter 1 in Practice Quiz Learning Unit 1-1. First of all, we have to write in verbal form 7,948. Keep in mind that the 48 will have a what? You got it, hyphen. So your solution would be as follows. 7,000, 940 hyphen 8. Write in verbal form for B, 48,775. In this case, we have 48,000. Notice again the 40 and the 8 has a hyphen in between, 775. Again, you need the hyphen between the 70 and the 5. To do the verbal form of the next one, wow, look at all those numbers. You have to realize we have hundreds, thousands, we have millions and billions, so you have to watch your digits. So in this case, we're talking about 814 billion, 410 million, 300, now don't forget, 35 with a hyphen, 1,000, 414. Keep in mind the positions of your digits, not decimals, but digits. Keep rolling. I do make mistakes. In number 2, round the following numbers as indicated to nearest 10. Remember, we have units, tens, hundreds, thousands. So for example, identify your digit. The number is 9. Look to the right. Is it 5 or greater? Nope. So that becomes 90. In letter B, to the nearest 100, we have units, tens, and hundreds. The 7 is the identified digit. Look to the right. The 4 is less than 5. So in this case, we round all the way to 700. In C, rounding to the nearest 1,000. Remember, we have units, tens, hundreds, and thousands. Identify your digit. 8. Look to the right. That 3 is definitely less than what? 5. In this case, we round to 8,000. Now, in D, rounding all the way, which means we look to our leftmost digit, identify the digit, which is a 4. Look to the right. The 7 is what? Greater than 5, so the 4 we kick up to a 5 and then add zeros in all the other positions. In this case, the 4752 rounds all the way to 5,000. In number 3, Kellogg reported its sales at $5,181,000. They earned a profit of $502,000. If we were to round them all the way, what we would do in this case is look to the left, the most identified digit on the left, the 5 in this case. You look to the right, the 1 is less than 5, so we round everything to be 5 million. As for the 502,000, identify your leftmost digit, which is 5. Look to the right, it's a 0, so everything becomes 500,000.